What's up, SV Squad?
What's up, guys? It's your boy G. Welcome to another video.
We are back again with another video. Today we decided to do a Q&A, and my hair is still looking like Mahana. I just got done out of the shower not long ago, so I'm just drying it out.
Yeah, guys,
I need a haircut.
We're back with another Q&A of 2018.
About a week ago, I asked people to send me some questions for the Q&A. So we've only picked a few of them. I think I picked about 15 of them.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, so we've answered this one before. Where are you both from? Like, what villages? We're both Samoan, that's for sure.
Yeah, we both Samoan. So if you know where I am and where we are, I am from the beautiful village of Siaosi at the level field. Yeah, if you go to Savannah, you see it. You can find Siaosi. Big vacation. It's so nice. Nice air breath. And nice.
Huh? My dad's from Paskokai and my mum's from Ngapaiwai. Next question. If we were given a private jet, which country would we fly to first? I already know your answer.
What?
It's gonna be Samoa.
Nah.
Yes. I would fly to Hawaii.
For me, I will fly anywhere.
Yeah, where?
Anywhere in the world.
Yeah, anywhere, where?
First, I fly first to my home country.
Yeah, I told you. Anyways, this question was asked so many times. I just picked like the most popular questions and questions we haven't gotten before. But when and how many kids do you want?
Oh, that's very spicy, girl.
I want 4 kids. 3 to 4. And when, we're not sure. Maybe about in a year's time when we're a little bit more ready.
2, 3, 4. Nice. That's good.
Does Siaosi have siblings?
Yes. What do you mean, guys? I have siblings. Most of them in Samoa.
All of them are in Samoa.
Yeah.
What are your views on the hate that goes on between Tongans and Samoans? It's so like long ago. I just don't understand why it's still being carried forward. Like, it's stupid, and anyone that still parades around about it and like still supports that kind of culture is just so immature. I don't have anything bad against Tongans. I've got nothing bad to say about them.
Yeah, me too.
How do you cope with putting your life out there, and what are the challenges? Well, to be honest, everyone sees what we want them to see. The bits that you see because we want you to see them. There are parts where we keep private and sacred, which people tend to forget. But I guess the biggest challenge would be not many. I don't think there's many challenges at all.
Yeah, guys, but that question is not good for me.
What? Why isn't it good for you?
I have my own life and my own challenge for my own life. No one's can control us.
Sorry about that. Is my hair so mahanari? What is your favorite thing being married to each other? As you guys know, it was our anniversary yesterday. We've been married for 2 years. Yeah. And I have learnt a lot as a wife. As a lady, I have learnt a lot from this chap, and I'm sure he can say the same about me.
Yes, guys. For me, I'm happy I married this woman for 2 years, but I learned from our marriage most of things, like I'm a man inside our family. Know how to do everything about husband and wife. That's a good, and learn everything about family. What you do, What are you laughing for?
I'm sorry. I'm just laughing at myself. The question again, what is your favorite thing being married to each other?
My favorite thing to be married to each other is the wisdom of God. Yeah. In our families. Yeah, to control our families. Yeah, and other things.
Hello, sorry. Yeah. Alright guys, so my mum just called. I do apologize about cutting you off, honey. I'm really sorry about that. But my mum's coming over, so we're going to wrap up and then we'll come back to our Q&A.
My favorite thing is to be in my marriage is the wisdom of God. And learn from the advice from my wife to be as a man in our house. Yeah.
My favorite thing being married to Siaosi is...
I teach you everything, guys.
Yeah.
As a woman.
No.
Yeah.
You can't have... I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to answer my question. Saying, oh, my favorite thing is that you teach me everything. No, boy, no. See, this is what I mean. This is what I have to put up with. My favorite thing about him is just his annoyingness, being able to feel myself, learning to love myself. I don't have to hide anything. He loves every aspect of me. And I love that about him because I just thank God I've never known manly love in this way. I mean, I have been loved by my parents and my siblings, but that's a different kind of love that God gives a husband or a spouse to love one another. That's my favorite thing about being married to you. Who's a better cook?
Guys, you know that question.
Yeah, they definitely do.
Yeah.
They definitely know it.
You know it, guys. You know it. Every video you know, guys.
They know what?
You know the best answer.
Is me.
And the good answer. What? You know? Oh, man.
I can't believe I'm gonna... I can't believe I'm gonna sit here.
I always make food every night.
I can't believe I'm sitting here.
This is
and
my
he's
food
basically,
last night.
he's basically sitting here right next to me, telling me that he's the one.
Sitting on a laptop every time.
That he's the one that cooks.
Guys, you're the answer. Comment below if you write Team Siaosi.
No. You guys always go for Team Siaosi, even when he's wrong.
Siaosi, guys.
Even when he's wrong. But today, comment down below and tell me. You can go back to our vlogs, even if you've been watching. Comment down below how many times you've seen Siaosi cook in our vlogs.
Yes, guys.
How many times you've seen Siaosi cook in our vlogs?
Every day.
I could probably count it on my one hand. Probably 3 times. Every other time is always me. Every other time is always me. So there's your answer.
The most thing she do is most of the pies. Pie? You see the pie? Yeah.
No, I only cook the pie 2 times on the vlog.
Yeah, guys.
Anyways, God will be my witness.
Yes, guys. Give thumbs up to Victoria.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
I'm not judging me, guys. I'm not judging me. Whatever I cook every night, guys, I'm not judging.
So would we ever Why are you laughing? Oops, sorry, the camera just died. The next question is, because like there were different people asked different questions of different cities, so I just compiled them together. But would we ever move to Samoa, New Zealand, or Brisbane? Okay, first one, would you ever move to Samoa?
No.
No. Holiday? Yeah. So
yeah,
move? No.
It's only holiday.
New Zealand?
Nah, only holiday too.
Yep, only holiday. Brisbane?
No, just only holiday too.
What is each other's worst habit?
Most thing I am angry, it's annoying me when we go somewhere and she always doing makeup inside the car when we drive everywhere. It's annoying to me, guys. You know me, I don't like everything. And she doing new stuff and I need to do something.
You need to drive.
No.
Siaosi's worst habit, I would say, is when he comes home from work and he gets changed into his clothes, or he has clothes underneath his work clothes. He gets changed, just takes off his work clothes, and then he lies on the bed. That really pees me off, because every time I come home from work, he gets home like an hour and a half before I get home from work. Don't interrupt! He gets home an hour and a half before I get home from work. So when I get home from work, he's buggered from the whole day because he works a hard job. But the thing is, jump in the shower before you get on the bed that we sleep in at night. That really pees me off. And especially because like summertime, he's been wearing shorts lately, and he's been having like a lot of dusty and dirt on his legs. Then when he lies down and on the edge of the bed, it like the dust and like dirt rubs onto our covers. Yeah, that's really annoying to me. You got anything to say about that?
The most thing.
Oh, now you're gonna change your answer.
Well, my most thing I'm not happy about that is every time I have some little nap, and she always wake me up to do something she wants.
Okay.
Even she's sitting in a laptop and she wants to bring something. Oh, can you go get this one? Oh man.
You're such a liar. Oh, he is such a liar. That is so not true. What's the most trouble you got in at school?
The most trouble I got in school when I didn't cut my hair. Because in Samoa, I always want you to like nice.
Look formal?
Yeah, look formal. Look nice and clean. If you come and then have rules to cut your hairs like short, school rules, yeah, like that. And if you come another day is not cutting, you can get in trouble.
Did you get a big smack?
No, you just get you outside and
have you ever been smacked at school before?
Yeah, just 3 times.
Yeah, well that would be the most trouble that you've gotten in, not the hair. So yeah. Why did you get smacked?
The most trouble I get in school when I do something inside the classroom, not listen to the teacher. When I smack the other guy, some of my friends punch him and the teachers smack me harder with the stick. Do you see in Samoa, if you get in trouble, you can stand in front of the teacher, put your hands in your toes, or your fingers in your toes, and smack your palm like this. Get up this and put your hands like this down your toes, and she smacked me hard. Yeah, that's good. Yeah,
that's not good. That is not good. And I feel like a lot of the teachers in Samoa abuse their power. I mean, I don't disagree, because if you look now, like all the kids are going crazy because they've taken away that rule in some of the schools in Apia. But I think it's a good thing, because even the Bible says, it talks about sparing the rod and disciplining children. And I think it's a good thing, but yeah, teachers just go too far. And, yeah. But in that case, that was just a big smack on your bum, so that's all right. You were probably up to no good anyways. The most trouble I got in at school was when, oh my gosh, I was not much of a fighter in school. I was really soft, and my sisters and my siblings did most of the fighting for me because I was just too scared to. But there was this one time where I finally broke out of my shell, and this girl really peed me off. And the first time I heard her, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Please, girl, stop talking about me. And then that first period, we were in like the same class. Then the next one, we were like in separate classes. So her class was right next to my classroom. The whole way up the ramp to that class, she was talking about me like, oh, so apparently she's gonna smash me, blah, 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 blah. And I was just like, ugh, I could not deal with it. So I just ignored it, and then it got to a point where I could not deal with it anymore. Anyways, long story short, I just walked into her classroom. When I followed her in, The whole class was seated and the teacher was at the front. But then I was like to her, so who told you that? Who told you that? Why are you like blah, blah, blah? And she was like, just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Yeah. So I could tell she started to get scared, which gave me a bit of hope because I was like, okay, yeah, she's scared of me. So then I was like to her, what are you talking about? Like, just kept asking her, why is she talking about me? Like, where did she get that information from? And then she was like, oh, just shut the F up, you effing SLU. And then I was like thinking in my head, girl, like, I've been with nobody. You're the one that's wearing a spaghetti singlet with your hoochies out for everyone to see. Who is the SL? As soon as she said that, I just walked up to her and then I pushed her so hard in front of the classroom. She fell back. She was standing right in front of a corner of the table and the corner of that table was like fully smashed into her back. And then she went to get up again. She was like screaming at this time. She was like, ah! And she started screaming. She came to me with punches and she was like punching like my arms, like like that on my arms. So I pushed her again and her back smacked the corner again and she just screamed and started crying and the teacher just stood there watching the whole thing. And then after that she still was talking crap about me, and then my good old sister Chrissy, she went and finished the job. Chrissy heard that I got into a fight because like it went around the school like within seconds, and then Chrissy heard that I got into a fight and then she came in and just like started jumping in. And then she walked up to the girl, I was like, you call my sister blah, 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 huh? Did you call my sister blah, blah, blah? Who's the blah, blah, blah? Look at what you're wearing. You're the blah, blah, blah. Then grabbed her hair and smashed it into the wall. And then we both got suspended.
That's a long story, guys. Very long.
Yeah, I should have saved that for a story time. That would have been so funny. Comment down below if you want to hear some spicy stories about us. Maybe about some of Siaosi's ex-girlfriends.
No.
Yeah, no. What's the date we got married?
30th of January
2015.
2015.
16.